Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at how you can trade BTC on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, I have BTC on my screen, and before I can trade using the indicators on the screen, I'll have to switch time frames first to understand what's happening. So I will first of all go to the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. All right. I have multiple moving averages on the main screen. This is my main screen. This is my main screen, and this is indicator window one. Okay, so on the main screen for BTC okay, this particular green line, okay, is my trend line. Okay, it determines the trend. If it's moving up, that means I'm in an uptrend, and if it's going down, okay, like it's going down somewhere around here, that means I'm in a downtrend. Okay, so basically what I would do is I'll come to the daily time frame, look at what's happening. For now, the green moving average is trying to turn up. Okay, and the other moving averages are also trying to turn up. So that's an indication that price is going up. Now, if you zoom out, BTC for now, you can see something like head and shoulder. Okay, let me change the color of my shape to another color, probably orange. Okay, that should be okay. Okay, now if you zoom out, I'm trying to expand this. Let me just delete. Let me delete this. Let me delete this and plot another one. Okay. Okay. Now, if you look at what's happening, you have like inverted head and shoulder, where this is your shoulder. This can be said to be your shoulder, the first shoulder. This is more like the head. Okay. And this is the second shoulder. So more like price is going up. Okay, your neckline, this can be said to be your neckline. Okay, your neckline should be something like this. So we already have a break of the neckline. All right, so indicating that price is going up. Okay, and we can see what happened around here. We had head and shoulder here. This is shoulder. This is the right shoulder. This is the left shoulder, and this is the head. Okay, this is the head. So excuse me, we'll be having, okay, and we can see what happened. Price came down, so we expect a reversal. This is the daily time for BTC so we expect a reversal. Price may be going up. Okay, and if price is going up on the daily time frame, we can try to forecast price by drawing our Fibonacci 2, plotting our Fibonacci 2. All right, plotting our Fibonacci 2, you can see that price has passed the 38.2 Fibonacci level. That exceeded 38.2 Fibonacci level, which is at 42670, and price is aiming for, we are on a daily time frame, price is aiming for the next level, which is 46726 level, and after that gonna aim for 51,000, then finally back to the high on the daily time frame, which is at 64,247. Okay, so that is that. But before it gets to that, the high, of course, there will be price needs to breathe. There will be ups and downs. It's gonna move like in a trend. You have the higher high, the higher low, another high, another higher low. So anything can happen. Okay, news can come up, um, and things can change. So you just have to keep on monitoring price. But if we zoom in to look at what's happening, we can see more like bullish strength. Okay, the bulls are in control. All right, after the higher high around here, we can see, excuse me, you can see um, a higher low, of course. Price is expected to make another higher high. Okay, higher high above here. Then we have higher low. Okay, so that's the way I see it going. I may be wrong along the line. Another higher high, then another higher low. Okay, I may be wrong along the line, but if I'm going to plot the direction with my lines to come down this way, then go up that way. Okay, come down this way. Okay, and then continue up. But I may be wrong. Okay, I may be wrong. Let's keep our fingers crossed. But with the way price is moving, it's definitely bullish. The bulls are in control. The reason why the bulls are in control is because broke this high to form a higher high. Okay, but that's not the essence. That's not the reason for this video. The reason for this video is to know how to use the indicators to find good trades. Okay. Now the indicators are trying to turn upwards at this point towards the trend indicator. These are trend indicator. These are trend indicator. Okay, it's a trend indicator. All right, that's on the daily time frame. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, that's the 4-hour time frame, you can see that all the moving averages are above the trend indicator, which means price or the market. This is a trend indicator, and all other moving averages are above the trend indicator. This shows that market is bullish. So look for buy entries on the 15 minutes time frame. If you have it the other way around, like all the moving averages are below the trend indicator. This is a trend showing we are in a bearish trend. Okay, and all the moving averages are below the trend indicator. That means the market is bearish. So look for sell entries on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, you do not need to only check just the daily and the 4 hour time frame only, you can still go to the 1 hour time frame. Excuse me. You can go to the 1 hour time frame to also assess what's happening. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, we can see this is the trend indicator. This is a trend indicator. This particular green line is a trend indicator. Okay, and it is below every other moving average, and every other moving average is above the trend indicator. Okay, if all crossed, this was where they crossed, the last one crossed here, and it's also going up. Okay, so in as much as you have something like this, you look for buy trades. Now, how do you get the buy trades? How do you plot? How do you know when to enter your buy trade? You go to the 15 minutes. If the 15 minutes align with what's happening on the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, you can always buy. Okay, but for now, the 1 hour and the 4 hour are saying the same thing, that market is bullish. Okay, even on the daily, you have a breakout to the high. Okay, we have the breakout to form a higher high, so that's a bullish market structure. So you can always come to the 15 minutes time frame for you to place your buy entry on the 15 minutes time frame. Yes, all the moving average, are they all above the trend indicator? It is yes. So you place your buy entry at the point where the red indicator, the red moving average, at point at which it stays above all other indicators, that's where you place your buy trade. For now, you can place your buy trade when you have like a dip into the moving averages, and at the point where price comes out of the dip, like here, you can place your buy trade. Okay, at the point where price closes, like you have a close. So I'm gonna let me delete this. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, we're gonna have a close, price close above all moving averages around here. After the dip, now you had a dip around here. Price dipped below the red line around here. Okay, now you only enter when you have a close above the red line, which happen around here. Okay, then you also have, okay, like the price also dipped somewhere around here. Price also dipped somewhere around here. Okay, you can see it going into the red line. Just a minute. Okay, price dipped around here, and then you had the price breaking out back into the buy zone around here. Okay, so that's just the illustration. So in as much as price breaks out on a 15 minutes time frame above the red line, you can always buy. Of course, you apply caution around here when price dipped below the red line, and then you can enter the buy trade at this point where you have a closure of price on a 15 minutes time frame above the red line. So you have a dip here. Okay, price dipped around here, so you can apply caution, and then you have price coming out, okay, floating and then closing above the red line somewhere around there. So that's a good place for you to buy. So if we look at what's happening at the currently on the Btcusd, you had a dip, you apply caution, then you have price coming out, okay, around here, and you can see what's happening, still going up. So as it is going up, you look for, and you are in a buy position, look for a breakout of the high, and then can place more buy positions. Okay, so this is the high break. Look out for the break. Of course, it's going to break above the high because you are on the 4-hour time frame. You are in a bullish trend. Okay, this is your trend indicator. Trend identifying indicator is a trend identifying indicator on the 4-hour. Your trend identifying indicator on the 4-hour. All other indicators are above the trend identifying indicator. Also on the 1-hour time frame, this is your trend indicator. All other indicators are above it. So then if you go to the 15 minutes, same thing applies. Okay, so that's the way you use these indicators for this strategy. Okay, if you go to indicator window 2, indicator window 1 rather. Okay, you have ADX. Okay, and then you have bands. Okay, these are the band. This is the lower band. This is the upper band. Okay. Now, when this black line crosses the 25-26 ADX line, okay, it's good for you to buy. Now, as much as the black line continues to stay above the ADX 25-26 ADX line, you can always buy confidently. You don't have any issue. Okay, so that's for when to buy. You can see it's crossing around here, strong and strong bullish manner, and then you can see it floating above that level for you to buy. Now the reverse of this is when to sell, when it drops below the 25-26 level. That's a situation or a condition for you to sell. But for you to buy, the black line must cross above the 25-26 level. Now let's look at the parameters for the indicators. Not much. We have fractals. Okay, we have moving averages on the main chart. The first one is 30 period moving average. Shift is 0. The method is linear weight. Apply to close. Style is red, color red. The second moving average is 50 period moving average. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Color is blue. And then the third is 200 period moving average. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close. And the color is green. And the fourth one is a 3 period exponential. Apply to close. Color is orange. And the fifth one is 90 period simple moving average. Apply to close. Color is lemon. All right, so for indicator window 1, we have average directional movement index, 20 period, no color for the style, and then for the levels, we have the 26 and 25 level. Color is black. Then for Bollinger Bands, we have 1 period, division is 2.0, shift is 0, apply to close, color is black. Then for envelopes, we have period is 150, shift is 0, division is 50.100, method is muted, apply to first indicator's data. Now the upper band and the lower band color is green. So that's that for the parameters for the indicators. Don't forget to go to the daily time frame, look at what's happening on the daily time frame. Okay, right now the daily time frame price deep for today, and then you can see it now. It has come up, leaving a shadow below. You have a long wick below, so and price still pushing up, trying to break the high of the previous day. And then on the 4 hour, you can see current 4 hour is overshadowing the entire candle. The body of the current candle, current 4 hour period is completely overshadowing the body of the previous 4 hour candle. So you have a more like an inside bar breakout to the upside. Okay, and then the 1 hour time frame, you can see what's happening, a strong bullish push, trying to break above the previous high. So if you combine all these candlesticks pattern, candlestick monitoring with the moving average crossovers and the moving average trend, movement, you can find better trade entries when trading BTC USD. Okay, so that's that for this video. I hope you've learned one or two things. Okay, I want you to subscribe to the channel. Okay, click the subscribe button. Click the like button, like the video. If you enjoyed, like it. Go ahead and click the like button. Also, click the notification button, the bell button below the video, for you to be notified um, when next we release another video. You may go ahead and drop your comments, ask questions. Of course, you can use this strategy on any zoom level. Okay, in as much as you can see the moving averages or the indicators, you can use it on any zoom level, and you can use it for any currency pair. You can use it for gold, to trade gold. You can use it to trade forex. You can use it to trade indices, Nasdaq. You can use it to trade volatility index. You can use it to trade boom and crash as well. Okay, you can also go to our website www.btcusd.com to learn one or two things on how to trade forex and volatility index. You can also go to another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade. So till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.